Good day, everyone. My name is Nelson A. Cunsa Jr., and today I will answer the given questions. First, what is my goal in life? My goal in life is to finish my studies at Southern Leyte State University. I want to pursue culinary arts and aim for high academic achievement. In this field, cooking is my passion, and someday I want to become a professional chef. I want to improve my cooking skills and knowledge so that I can build a successful career and help support my family in the future. Second question, what drastic improvement will I make this semester to achieve my goals? To achieve my goals, I will improve my discipline, time management, and dedication to my studies. I will focus more on learning, attend my classes regularly, and practice my cooking skills whenever I have the opportunity. By working hard and staying committed, I believe I can move closer to achieving my dream of becoming a professional chef. Last question, what is the importance of the National Service Training Program or NSTP in achieving my goals? NSTP is important because it teaches us discipline, leadership, teamwork, and responsibility in serving our community. The values are very important in any profession, especially in the culinary field where teamwork and discipline are needed in the kitchen. NSTP will help me develop good character and become not only a successful chef but also a responsible member of a society.